how to freeze or replace your card on Wise. For whatever reason, if you're trying to replace or freeze the existing card that you have inside of Wise, in this video, let me show you the steps. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the tutorial. Once you're inside of the Wise app, you'll need to tap on the card section to look at the freeze or replace option. Once you're inside of the card section, in order to freeze your card, you'll straight away see the option called freeze right here. Just tap on the freeze card option and the card details will be instantly freezed. If you have multiple cards added inside of Wise, just scroll and pick the card that you're trying to freeze and then just tap on the freeze card option. As soon as you do that, you won't be able to use the details of the card anymore unless you unfreeze it again. Now the way that you completely replace the existing card that you have is you just scroll down to the bottom of this page where you'll see the option called replace card. Just tap on the replace card option and then tap on replace. And it's going to ask you if you really want to replace your card. Just accept it and your card will be instantly replaced. Lastly, you're going to get this screen where it says your card is ready and you can just tap on the view card option. This way you're going to get an entirely new card with completely different details. So you can easily use this new card as you normally do. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.